The most awful thing that ever happened to anyone has happened to me. What?
I don't know, it's snowing.
It's snowing, yeah.
Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening.
In today's episode, how do you do, interwebers, and welcome to Stories of My Life. So today, Stockholm, Sweden, sun is out. It's cold, but the sun is out, hence the fake fur. Anyway, I'm going into the theatre quite early. I'm having another meeting for another production. This is fun, but I'm looking forward to Sunday when we have no shows, so I can sort of sleep in, because tomorrow, Saturday, we're having 2 shows, and then I have to get up early as well. So, I'm really great at getting up early. I'm really good at sleeping in. So, see you soon. When I said the weather was nice, not a cloud in the sky, but a train going by. The meeting went very well, and now I'm off, not off, I'm on to the show I'm currently working on, and do some mending and ironing and stuff, that usual, things, yeah. And now, ladies and pomegranates, it's time for my vegan lunch. So, we'll start with this great salad, just greens and lettuce, different kind of sort of leaves, green leaves, grated carrots, some other stuff, and a vinaigrette. And after that, the last of the lovely sausage stroganoff. People, it's Friday at work. Remember that is? It's the day that Tina comes with bread for all of us, making us happy, joyous, and slightly fat. And guess who's here? Welcome. Gud vad kallt. It's cold. Gonna get it. Oh, thank you. Look at all this loveliness. David is in ecstasy.
Ni får jättegärna liksom tagga olio i den här appen.
Goodbye. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, there's a meeting on stage. Let's go. Oh.
Det är tillåtet att ta bilder i applådtacket. Än en gång, varmt välkomna, och nu lämnar vi med varm hand över till vår 12-manna-orkester.
So, question of the day.
Yes, sir.
Are you a better dancer than a singer?
No.
För Guds skull, hon får aldrig sluta att lägga sig i.
har visionen för den här musikalen.
Nej men nej, vad kul. När får vi se den då?
Ja, lilla skumpan. Du kanske tror att det här är min första uppsättning. Lita på mig. Jag kan både ett och annat.
Ett och annat. Vad imponerande antal.
Ladies and gentlemen, close up on SEMLA, close up on... Yes. Intermission, things are happening, stuff are coming down from the ceiling and the crew is checking stuff and looking at things. Natalie is the boss. She knows everything about this theatre and she's been here forever. The most awful thing that ever happened to anyone has happened to me. What?
I don't know, it's snowing. Is
It's snowing, yeah.
Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight, we're happy tonight. Walking in a winter wonderland. Är inte det härligt?
When you sing is fine, but look at that.
Yeah,
I need to go home to us, but makes my cousin on a bike.
Yeah, but you have like gorgeous coats and everything, don't you?
Yes, I do.
I mean, it's a good thing you get use of them. What do you think?
I can't remember what I'm wearing today. Something hot, I bet.
Something furry.
Yes, something furry.
Yeah.
I think so. Damn it, melt. Damn it. Snow, let it snow, let it fog. It stopped snowing, so I'm going to try get home on my bike. Has it stopped snowing? Well, yeah, sort of, or not. I'm not sure. Well, enough. Thank you for watching and for liking, commenting, subscribing and following. It really helps, and something to do with the internet and the algorithm, I think. So thank you so